Welcome back, my dear students. So it's time for us to install MongoDB in Windows. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna go to Chrome here. I'm gonna go to mongodb.com, and this will change over time, guys. So don't worry. Just go to the download section somewhere. Go to the community server if you have that tab available. And just download whatever is appropriate for your operating system. We are using Windows in this lecture, so that's what we are going to be doing and learning how to do. So I'm gonna get this MSI file here. I'm gonna click it. This is gonna be the installer. So it has an installer already, and it says that I already have it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to uninstall it so that way I can do it from scratch with you guys. So MongoDB, and I just show you how to uninstall it for those of you that don't know, but you should know how to do this already. Come on, guys. You guys are developers, right? All right. So this is uninstalled already. Let's follow the procedure here. And let's go back here real quick. I have a whole bunch of copies here in my download section right here. So I'm going to install it real quick from scratch so you guys can see. And I'm gonna press complete. I'm gonna uncheck this little guy right here just because I don't want to install Compass. Compass is a GUI for MongoDB. You guys are welcome to use it. I have not personally used it yet. I heard some good things about it. I don't know if they charge for it. I'm already using Robo T for Mac operating system, so I don't use Windows as much. But you are welcome to use it if you want, and let me know how it goes. Should be a pretty good, awesome tool if they don't charge for it, right? So let's install this without Compass, and this should be pretty quick depending on your operating system or your computer. I mean, that's it. It's done, right? So the next step that we need to follow is going to make a folder for our data because by default MongoDB is going to look for some folders in our computer. So we need to have those folders available so that way it can put the data in there. Okay. I'm supposed to go to with installation right here. So install on Windows, and I'll show you the folder that it needs to have. And this is the command here to do that. So go ahead and open your shell, and I'm gonna right click on it. I'm gonna run this as an administrator because we says that actually we do have to do this. Anyway, we might not, but anyway, just run it as an administrator just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna say md backslash data backslash db, enter, and now it's telling me that this folder already exists in my computer because I already have it. But if you don't, you will be able to create it by following this command right here. Okay, so once that's done, Mongo is installed in our computer, but right now our computer doesn't know where to find the executable. So for example, like if I type in Mongo, that's not going to work. All right, so I would have to go and type in some type of long command to find Mongo. Okay, something like this. Let me just, if I something like C programs. So basically, I will have to write the whole path where that executable is located. I'm going to show you where it is right now. Let me see if I remember correctly. This is a Windows computer. And if I go to program files, let's see, open this in a new window. You see MongoDB right here, right? And open, open, open. So this is where the executables are located. We got the Mongo right here. This file is the shell. So when you click on this, let me see if I click on this, you see that we are connecting to the shell. Of course, this is gonna fail because we don't have the other executable. If I double click on this one, this is gonna turn on the server. So you see this says okay right here. That means that we're good to go. Now the server is on. So let's go ahead and click on the other one. And now we are connected to the shell. Watch this. Should connect right away. All right, so if I say show, let's see if it works. It's actually not working right now for some reason. Let's see right here. Huh? Huh. Let's come back here. Let's see if that works. If that doesn't work, don't worry about it, guys. We'll get it go up and running. Just got to make sure that our server is up here. That's okay. Right now, it looks like something is going on, but we'll fix it in a minute. Let's just get all this out. So you get the point, right? We need a way for us to write Mongo here, like a shortcut, and tell our computer, listen, the executable is located right here in this path. So I'm gonna copy this and oops, I'm gonna go and edit my environment variables because that's where we can actually play around with our path, right? So we're gonna go to this environment variable called path. I'm gonna double click it, and at the end here you can see that I have a couple shortcuts already. So every time I type cmd, it's gonna know where to find that program. You see that? This is where you can find all that stuff. Okay, so npm has a path as well. When you type npm globally, it's gonna find that um, program. But look at this. I'm gonna paste that in here, whatever I copied, whatever path we have here for where all the executables are located. I'm gonna press OK. I'm gonna press OK here, and then I'm going to open another terminal. I'm gonna type in MongoD, and that is going to do the same thing that we did when we double clicked on that, right? So I'm gonna open a new window. I thought I could right click and open a new window here with this, but it looks like I cannot. Let me see. Edit, maximize, size. Really? Really? All right. Well, I got a Mac keyboard, so my shortcuts are not even working either. So, but anyway, let's open another CMD. I don't even need a CMD, to be honest. I don't need I don't need all this. I can just use my git bash, which is my preferred shell that I use. I'm gonna right click on this, and I'm going to change the text here real quick to something a little bit bigger so that way we can see what's going on, right? I'm gonna put 18. I'm gonna apply, save it. Now if I type in MongoD, okay, that should open one. Then new here, and now we can say Mongo. Okay, and now we are connected to that Mongo shell. I can say show dbs, and now you can see all my databases. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is how we are able to install the MongoDB using a Windows operating system, and at the same time we created a little shortcut so we can execute MongoDB from anywhere in our computer. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.